Hello everyone, welcome to visit Shenzhen EAST LINE. We are the wild farm manufacturer located in Shenzhen, China. Today, I want to introduce you one small analog phone. This is a very small analog phone with very slim size and simple functions. Let's open it. It's the lines, tail lines and coin code. This is the user manual. You can find many detailed description of many functions and features. This is in Russian language is for Russian customer. This phone is also very popular for South Asian and South American, Middle East, and also Europe. This one is decoration LED light. It's not light, it's for decoration. It's the side. This is the bottom. It supports wall mountable. You can use 2 screws here. This is the tail lamp port. This is the label with the side. This is the coin code port. Here, let's check this one. This barcode is for desktop here. This is the wall mountable. Check here. Turn another direction. Here. This is fixed. The buttons is white buttons. This is the function, 3 basic functions: mute, pause, redial. This phone has a very competitive price and it's very popular for your home, office, hotel, school, or any other public areas. And this one is the black one. It's different. This one with the transparent buttons. It's another version. This is the tail lamp put here. Also, this one is the same for this one. It's coin code here. This here, coin code. Let me make a call here. This ringer is very high. Let me make this ringer. We don't have the switch, but it's enough. You always set the switch for TP. The push and the tone. I make a hands-free call here. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello, hello. Hi, hi. The other side voice is also good. Mute. Hello, hello. Then the other side cannot hear if you press the mute. But you put it, okay? Yes. It's recover. It's the pause. Here. Let me call. Wait. This is the push dialing. It's not the tone dialing. Then wait. The phone is busy. Wait. Okay. Call another phone. Let me change the tone. Here. Tone. Oh, it's okay. Here. Where the phone go? Hello? 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 1, 2, 3. Hello? This is the Shenzhen telephone factory. Okay, good. Hello? This is the Shenzhen telephone factory. Oh, I can hear now. Bye-bye. This is the wired analog telephone is very popular for many areas. This phone has very good price. If you want to order large quantity, we can offer you the most competitive price. If you like this model, welcome to contact us freely. Maybe I didn't show you many details. If you have questions, you can contact us, or you can try this sample model. If you take the sample, you will understand the quality very better and fast. Okay, see you next time. Thank you for watching.